Hi people, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you another expert advisor. This one's called the Scalping Expert Advisor. Okay, now this is completely different. This is almost simplicity in itself. How this one works is Scalping EA Expert Advisor is automated trading bot designed for short-term trading strategies that aim to capture small price movements. It's suitable for traders looking to make multiple trades in a day, usually on lower time frames such as a 1 minute, 5 minute and 15-minute window. The goal of scalping is to achieve quick incremental profits by entering and exiting trades within minutes. Okay, now I've tested this on 1 hour. I'm just one of these stringent people that I like to test it on 1 hour and see how we go. I find that this works quite well. The goal of scalping is to achieve quick incremental profits by entering and exiting trades within minutes. This module provides step-by-step instructions on installing, configuring and optimizing and scalping EA on MT4. So you're just getting a brief look of what this is going to be, number 39 that's going into Darren's Trading Academy, which we're all quite proud of because there's some fantastic bots here. Including this one that you'll be able to get your hands on for a very affordable price, really. I mean, you pay $397 to get into this. It's a one-time price. I'm forever adding bots, okay? Just to give you a heads up of what bots are going to be coming into the market. I'm going to show you right here, okay? So if we scroll through here, these are the new bots that I'll be adding in, okay? And there's some more here as well. We've got this one here was the last one that went in. This was number 38, which is Galaxy Gold Scalper. I personally made just under, I think, $14,000 with this particular bot, and you can see that, you know, it's a very advanced course inside here where I can show you how to use the Gold Investor. There's lots and lots of stuff here. Okay, so I'm just giving you a little bit of a brief idea. These are members that are inside the Telegram group, which you will be able to get access to as well. And you're going to get all this information, including the new 2.8 AI Gen, which is an incredible bot. This thing will blow your socks off. You can make quite a bit of money with this as well. Plus also, you get the set files that we are already using, which we're making money online with as well. Okay, so these are lots and lots of things. There's a copy trading program. There's a new thing which I'm going to be setting up, how I'm going to be showing you that once you pay to $397, I'm going to be showing you how you can literally do everything else. And you know, there's lots and lots of stuff to look forward to inside here, okay? Including the manual trading, which I'm going to be showing you, and also the auto trading, set up and forget bots, which are basically just online, and they're literally just coining in money, basically. Okay, so you know, it's an incredible journey that we're all on. So let's jump into the Scalping EA. So the Scalping EA at the moment, okay, basically if you was to set this up, okay, what you basically do is you would get your, let's just do this so you've got an idea what's going on. Let's go to MQL4, let's go to experts. Don't worry, I'm going to do this a bit slower in a minute, all right? So don't panic. This is the bot here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now run through the training program so you'll know exactly how to set this up. I'm going to use my other account, which is my Darwin X0 MT4 account. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go over here and we're going to go over here. Okay, so you can see that at the moment this was the AGM, which I'm telling you about. This is trading away as we know it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up a chart, which is XAU USD, and just slide this across. Hang on, let's do that again and drop. And then I'm going to, so this is what I'm going to add this chart to, okay? You notice again this is 1 hour. We're going to put it on a 5 minute, all right? Because, or even a 15 minute. You can see that something else is running on here, but don't worry too much about that. If we go back to 1 hour, you'll probably find that, you know, it's going to just show you other trades that are running on here, okay? But that's nothing too much to worry about. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the bot onto this trade. Okay, so if you imagine that you've just clicked on, let's go back here and we'll go over here. Okay, So you click on here, okay? As soon as you click on this link, you're going to get a ping, and this tells you that it's been delivered. All right, it's been delivered to your actual. Let's go back to here. It'll be in the downloads folder probably, and then you'll be able to click on this. Okay, right mouse click. If I paste this in now, like so. Okay, so you can see that I've already got this. Okay. So I've already downloaded. That noise that you hear shows that it's been downloaded. So what we're going to do is you're going to open up your WinZip folder. Don't worry if you don't know how to do that. Look at my last video. It will show you exactly how to do that. And then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you copy your Expert Advisor. You then go over to your MetaTrader 4, which is this one here. You go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts, and then right mouse click, and you're going to paste it in like so, and you'll see that this has gone in here, right? Scalping EA EX4. The next step you do is you want to hover anywhere on here, okay? Just highlight one, right mouse click, and then hit refresh button, and then what it will do is it will automatically assign all the bots and then include the other bot that you had inside here. Okay, so if we scroll through this now, and we see Scalping EA is this one here, right? So we're going to hold on to that with the left mouse button, keep it pressed, drag it across and drop. And this is allowing you to put the Scalping Expert Advisor onto here, okay? Now we're going to click Common. You want to make sure you've got Allow DAO Inputs, Allow Live Trading, okay? And then if you go to Inputs, this is something important, is to make sure that you change your magic number. Now all you do is you just double click on this here, go back, and then just put any random number, okay? Make sure it's an 8-digit. Very important. Then what you're going to do is you're going to set your loss 0.01. Your risk, okay, so this is what your risk is going to be, which is this one here. So I'm going to put my risk of loss, I'm going to put say 4. That's the max that I want my bot to risk at, or risk 0 fixed. Oh, I'll tell you what, we're going to do fixed loss, because 0 is fixed loss. Then the stop loss, this is where it's going to 50, and then you take profit, which is say 100. Okay, I'm going to change this to 30, and I'm going to change this to 70, so I like to be a little bit safe. Okay, and my trailing extra I'm leaving at 50%, and then that's it. So I've done that, so now it's okay. Okay, and what will happen is this bot now, okay, will scale the market. I mean, the markets are shut at the moment, so it's not going to do it, and it's gonna basically scalp the market on a 5-minute window. Okay, now what you want to do is, if we go back to my Expert Advisor's properties, where I've set this up, okay, this is a little bit more optimized. Okay, now when you set something up, I haven't shown you how to do this yet, but if you go to save window, and if I now put in here and put Scalping Expert Advisor 5-minute XAU USD, what I've done is I've actually created a set file. Now you automatically get these set files plus many more, okay, when you join Darren's Trading Academy. So what I basically do is I will actually go off and do a test on this, and this is very easy to do. Okay, you go to View, Strategy Tester. This is going to open this window, right? And then what you want to basically do is you want to go to Settings. You want to make sure that you click on here, which is the Expert Advisor, and in here you will see Scalping. See the Scalping EA? Now double click this. You then want to change your symbol to XAU USD, which is this one here. We want to set this to a 5-minute time window. I'm only going to do this for a test for 1 month, right? Now the reason why is because this will go on forever if I do this. So if we just change this, let's go back here. If we just do this to October, okay, and to the current time, which is now. Okay, don't worry, you can learn how to do all this. I'll show you how to do all this. Very easy. Okay, and once we've done that, we're also going to have these symbols. We're going to open the chart, and it's going to open up a chart window, and now we're going to hit start. And what it's going to do is this is going to basically upload and choose what it want to do. It's then taking in consideration the market that I've given it, and then it will give me the graph results and report of what profit I may have made or may not have made. Okay, so at the moment it looks like the bot didn't energize at all. So if we go back to settings, it's just going to check. I'm going to go to expert. I'll tell you what it is. It's this here. Look, right. If we move this over here. Right, now click on there. There we go. So that's the very reason why that didn't work, right? Is because it's live, right? So let's just move that down there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to click expert properties. We're going to use initial deposit of $10,000. Okay, I've already created a magic number, so I don't need to worry too much about that. We're going to just put that. Let's just change that to true. Click OK, and then we're going to fire this up and see if that makes a difference. Now, so it's possible that there isn't enough time on there at the moment for it to work. So what we do is we go back to settings. We're going to change this to a 1 hour time frame, and then I'm going to change this, go back 6 months. Okay, now remember, I'll show you exactly how to do this, so don't panic. April, and hit start. What this should do is this should go off and do what it needs to do. There we go. It's because the markets are closed at the moment. This is the reason, but the actual training that I'm showing you is sound. Okay, so if you were to do this on a live account, you'll be able to get some information of how it's doing. But you just have to take my word for it, because I can't show you in live because the markets are closed at the moment. But what it shows, basically this thing will move up and down all over the place. So I'll tell you what, if we go to settings, I'll move this up. Let's just move that up there. We'll go here. If I show you using another, let's just use this one, right? And then we go here. So all I'm going to do is just giving you something to look to, and then we'll click on here. And you'll see that this is starting to work. So you see where this is moving across. And now if we go to results, graph, report, it's going to give you a report of what it is and what it's doing. Okay, so I just wanted to just show you that so you can see. Okay, so hopefully now you know how to set this bot up, you know how to get it operational. There is a full video inside my Darren's Trading exam, Darren's Trading Academy, which will show you exactly how to set up and backtest etc. on MT5 and MT4. So you've got all the information there. It's a very in-depth training sort of like video, which is really going to help you, because you'll know then how to set it, because there's a few things that you need to do where you make sure that you check certain things and criterias before you do it, to make sure that you get full benefits from the actual bot that you are trading with. So that's it. Okay, so hopefully you're going to learn something from that video that I've shown you. Very easy to set up. Basically, once you've set up, just go over here, make sure that your options expert advisors, make sure allow automated trading is on, and then hit OK. And all you should have a little smiley face in the top right hand corner where your scalping EA is. This is if the face is frowning, if we go here, if I click off, now you've got a frowning face, okay? And if I switch it back on, now you've got a happy face. So a happy face means that you've got a happy expert advisor. That's it. All the very best to my next video. Thank you. Bye now.